Good day to Dr. Ines. I'm Liew with matrix number 181130680 from RK07. Today I would like to interpret the assignment 1 of EAT 332 Environmental Impact Assessment, which title Typical and Various Process of EIA. Environmental impact assessment is a study to identify, predict, evaluate, and communicate information about the impacts on the environment of a proposed and to detail out the mitigating measures prior to project proposal approval and implementation. At the beginning, EIA is an environmental decision support tool. Therefore, the potential adverse effects in the proposed site can be determined by using field methods such as questionnaires, interviews and panels, checklists, matrices, networks and system diagrams, geographical information system (GIS), and overlapping mapping, which category into Earth, life, and human science. For example, GIS and checklist methods are commonly used. GIS is a framework for gathering, managing, and analyzing data for spatial location and organizes layers of information into visualizations using maps and 3D scenes. While checklist is simple to use, understand, and good for site selection and priority setting. According to International Institute of Sustainable Development 2020, there are 7 steps of EIA process such as screening, scoping, impact assessment and mitigation, impact management, EIA report, review and licensing, followed by monitoring. For example, screening is a process of determining whether or not a proposal requires detailed EIA and the level at which that assessment should occur. Second, scoping is a process of establish the boundaries of the EIA, set the basis of the analysis that will be conducted at each stage, describe the project alternatives and consult the affected public. Impact management is preparation of the plans required for addressing mitigation measures and other project risks. Furthermore, EIA reports pulls all the research and work done together into a comprehensive structured document during the previous steps, ensuring that EIA reports contains all the key components. Review and licensing are designated authorities review the EIA reports to determine if the planned project will get the license or if it requires amendments. According to IMGO, January 2015, mitigation measures is a process to avoid, prevent, reduce or control the adverse environmental effects of a development project. It is a response to the findings of impact assessment. It also complies with rectifying through compensation, repairing, rehabilitating, restoration, recover or remedy, and replacement for the damage of the environment which caused by those effects. The mitigation measures of identified effects can be proposed according to the biological, physical, and human environment. According to Sarat Babu, June 2020, monitoring program is a planned and systematic collection of the environment data to meet specific objectives and environmental needs. It used to ensure the development authorities follow the laws and regulations which set by the government based on their project. This is to avoid cutting corners habit occur. The monitoring program is to compare pre- and post-project conditions and predicted and actual impacts in the development site. There are few types of monitoring, such as impact, baseline, mitigation, to assess the effectiveness of mitigation measures, compliances, air, water, waste, and enterprise monitoring. In conclusion, EIA is a very useful tool to understand the complexities of our environment. Pollution, climate, water, and waste management are the concerns need to be assessed in detail to understand the complexities so that we can improve the condition of our environment. Thus, EIA technique can improve drastically the management of environmental activities. And again, it is very important that all countries to follow EIA for the betterment of the environment and human life as a whole. That's all. Thank you.